Have you ever had a long travel day, go into the RV, open up the fridge, and everything come flying at you? Or maybe you opened up the fridge and you found that things have shattered and spilled everywhere. Well, I have 6 products to help with those kind of kitchen disasters. Okay, the first 2 products are in the refrigerator. The first one are these adjustable RV fridge bars. Once again, they're adjustable, so they can fit multiple size refrigerator shelves, which make it nice. They have adhesive pads on the side that are pretty sturdy. They've never fell off so far. And you just slip those in there like that, and they prevent things from coming at you when you open the fridge after shifting. The other thing that I like are these plastic fridge bins. They come in assortment of sizes. You can buy them at Amazon and Walmart, and they keep things from shifting around too much in the refrigerator and help prevent some of that glass from shattering and making a mess. This is a unique product, and it also is a space saver. It's a metal magnetic utensil holder. It comes with a magnetic pad that you attach to your countertop, which then attaches to the utensil holder, and it prevents it from shifting during traveling. So far, we've traveled quite a bit and it's never moved. Here is another product that helps with the shifting problem during travel. I purchased these Bino woven plastic bins on Amazon. They come in small, medium, and large, and they help with that shifting problem and preventing things from smacking each other during travel. And the last 2 products help solve the problem also with shifting. In my pots and pans cabinet, they were shifting around during travel. You know, this is the first time that I've had a rear kitchen, and this Cougar 260 MLE is a rear kitchen 5th wheel. So what was happening is the pots and pans were sliding around and really marring up the bottom of my cabinet and making it look ugly. So I just went on Amazon and purchased Gorilla Grip shelf and drawer liner. It's like rubberized, and I've used it before in other RVs, and it works to prevent that shifting and sliding around. The other thing, because they were shifting around and sliding, I have non-stick pans and they were starting to get damaged inside. So I purchased on Amazon these felt pot and pan protectors, and you put them in between and they help to keep everything from getting damaged. And there you go, 6 fairly inexpensive products that you can purchase on Amazon or Walmart that will help prevent damage or your next RV kitchen disaster. You know, if you have products that you found helpful, drop them in the comments. And if you felt that this video was helpful, hit the like button. I look forward to taking you on our next adventure.